Good morning, students. Welcome to semester 3 and welcome to this new mode of learning to this Google Classroom. Hope you all are safe and see until our regular class resume. This is going to be our classroom. This Google Classroom is going to be our classroom, and I'll meet you frequently in this. And coming to the semester, I believe you'd have received a syllabus from our HOD. So, as you had in the last sem, that is in second sem and in first sem, you have a core paper and two complementary papers along with your second language and the general English. And for time being, don't worry about your exams. Please concentrate in the in this sem, that is new sem. Focus focus onto the new sem, and we'll continue. I'm going into the paper now. So, complementary paper, that is journalism for the SEM. The title of the paper is Basics of News Reporting. So, this is the title, Basics of News Reporting. First SEM, you had Introduction to Mass Communication. Second SEM, History of Indian Media. And this SEM, the title of the paper is Basics of News Reporting. So now I'm moving into the paper with a question. So the first class, let me begin the first class with a question. Very simple question. What is news reporting? You can type the answers. You can put your answers in the comment box. That's given here in the Google Classroom. Make it short. Your answers must be brief. Just a sentence enough. So what is news reporting? Without don't refer answer. Just type what comes to your mind. Okay. So, what is news reporting? So, these are the slides. So, I have given answers here. You can even type the same thing. What is news reporting? Okay, news reporting is a type of journalism. We know it is news reporting. The title itself is news reporting. So, it must be a type of journalism typically written or broadcast in news style. And we all know that reporters gather their information in a variety of ways, that is, including tips, press releases, and witnessing events. They even perform research through interviews, public records, and other sources. And sources, there are three different types of sources. We call it a primary source, secondary source, and tertiary source. We learn about these sources in detail in the coming classes. Okay. So this information gathering part of the job is sometimes called reporting. The practice of gathering information for a media is called news reporting. It is actually distinct from the production part of the job. Production part of the job, like writing articles. So this is not writing articles, this is entirely different. Reporters, they generally split their time between working in a newsroom and going out to witness events or interview people. And the news report writing always starts with the most important fact. A news report has a beginning, middle, and an end. And now, coming to the main part of this today's lecture, structure of news story. So, before going into this structure, let me ask you a question. Second question: how do we narrate a story, or how do we begin a story? Usually, we begin a story like using once upon a time or long ago. So just imagine if newspaper is also going to follow the same style of narrating stories. What will happen? Just imagine long ago. If they start with the same style, no one will read